Hi everyone. So the question is, will we ever make profit? So in business, and I hope we learn from this, you will see that one mistake can cost you months and months to get back to recovering your earnings. So for example, our Gumball Machine, if you've been watching since day one, our first week when we bought the machine, we lost a ton of inventory. We didn't know how to use the machine. We had different settings. So a lot of our inventory, and because of the lack of knowledge, because this was our first time ever doing this, I've never owned a Gumball machine myself. None of my students ever, we didn't even know what we were getting ourselves into. So it was all new to us, but we learned so much along the way. I think we can share our knowledge with you as far as when you do get your Gumball machine, take the time, read the manual, set the dispense levels appropriate. And it cost us. And if you, like I said, you watch all these videos, that money that we spent on all those candies just went out the door. We will make profit. Right now, we're still paying off. We're negative $150. But that mistake in the beginning cost us months. So I'm guessing 4 or 5 months. Possibly, maybe 4. I'm not sure exactly. We're going to find out, but it looks like if we could plug in numbers and just do like $20 every week now, maybe we'll get into the positive around March. So yes, it took us time. We did make profit at the end of the day, but we could have done so much better if we actually did our research, took our time, read the manual, and operated the machine in a way that it would benefit us as far as making money. Our goal wasn't to make money, it was just having fun. And my goal is just teaching them how to use Microsoft Excel. So taking that into consideration, it wasn't my primary agenda to do that. So this was a learning experience. So if you do get your Gumball machine, those are some tips and advice that we would like to share with you. And keep following us. You're going to see, now that we know how to use it, we'll get accurate numbers, and you'll see how this Gumball machine could make, a lot of money. We'll see as far as maybe next year's sales and the summer sales, or given like a good month. But there are a lot of situations that come up, holidays, days off, that kind of affect sales and increase sales as well. Having quarters on you. We've learned so much over the past couple of months, including myself. Pitching it, doing a sales pitch. I have quarters, anyone need change? So and we see an increase in sales when we did that 1 week. I forgot what week that was, but we tried different things. Now we got the red jelly beans. So we're going to see our students going to complain now because there's runts. Now they're mixed with jelly beans. I know in the past we were like, some student flipped out on me because they're like, you're not supposed to mix it. So it was like, whoa, okay, I'll take it out. Again, we'll see. They probably really want a jelly bean and they get mostly runts and then maybe one jelly bean. We'll see how it goes. I may be refunding. We're giving them quarters. So again, I will keep you posted. But that is so far our lessons learned. And no, we are not making profit. We are still $150. We're still negative. All right, I'll let you know. It will be a big announcement, possibly end of February, let's say, maybe March. Like, hey, we're making money. And I'll keep you posted. All right, so then we'll have some money for our next holiday party, and then stay tuned because we're gonna do other worksheets. We have our pizza, the one we had, the Domino's. We gotta do a worksheet on that, and more worksheets to come. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.